Hello everyone and welcome to another edition of Coding My Way In. So for today I don't have a long video. I actually didn't code at all this week. So I was just doing like little things and little fixes. But my main concern for this week was I wanted to add a README page to my application. So now the Nissan Experience, my project, now has a detailed README. This is the first README that I ever done. So if you guys can take a look, let me know what you guys think. I work really hard on this. It has the key features, the tech stack, the installation and setup, the database schema, even the project dependencies. So I just wanted to make sure that whoever sees the repo in the project, he or she is able to set up everything. So if you want to clone the project, you are good to go. Have fun with it. So another thing that I did for this is I still don't want to pay for a host because I'm using a database for this project. So instead of paying for a provider, what I did was, you know what? I want to have the project showcased somewhere. So what I did was I created a video of me going over the project and showing all the features. So I put it in on Vimeo because it doesn't have ads. That way, if someone wants to see it, they can go and take a look. But I also uploaded it into my YouTube account, so you can also see the project. So these two videos are the same. So with this one, the issue is if it gets a lot of viewers, it gets ads, whereas this one is good to go. The last thing that I did, and it was also the reason why I didn't code this week, was that I'm now getting ready to start my second project. So as you guys know, my goal for this year is to do 3 projects, and each project has to be better and different than the one before. So I wanted to add some technologies into my stack. So what I was doing this week was I was looking into resources so I can start learning Next.js and MongoDB. So I was able to find 2 sources for it so I can start learning, because for my next project I want to use Next.js and MongoDB. That way I have this framework that a lot of people are using and a lot of people are getting hired for, because Next.js is built on top of React and I'm already familiar with the platform or the framework. And the reason I'm learning MongoDB is because Postgres is a relational database and MongoDB isn't. So I just want to have in my arsenal 2 completely different databases, so I can have it in my arsenal, you know, and this way I can have a better opinion when it comes down to actually giving an opinion on databases. So yeah, that's basically what I did this week. And the last thing is, and one of the reasons that this video is going so late today, is that I'm working on a YouTube video, which is I'm breaking down my entire process from the past 6 months, from zero to learning to code. So in this video I'll be breaking down everything that I did in order to learn these current tech stacks, all the resources that I did. I will talk about my struggles, my challenges. I talk about networking and finding a mentor. So I'm very excited for that video. So I already have a bunch of clips for it. So now all I have to do is like make it into one video so I can have it presentable so you guys can have it sooner than later. I was looking at the numbers, so I already actually edited most of it, and the video is already at 35 minutes. So it's gonna be a very lengthy video, but it's gonna have a lot of content for people starting the journey to code. So I really hope that that video is useful for many people. Maybe they're not sure if they want to start learning to code, or maybe they do want to but they don't know where to start. So that video will be showcasing everything that I've done in the past 6 months in order to learn this current tech stack that I have, which is VS Code, React, Tailwind, Node, Express, and Postgres. And yeah, so like I said, it was not going to be a long video. So yeah, I'm not going to take much of your time. I'm going to get back on editing that video that I'm talking about, and hopefully I can have it uploaded sooner than later. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.